Hello all followers. We'll talk in this video about a strong project which will make a new history in the world of crypto. So let's know about it.
What is Pop Repair? Pop Repair was founded by two brothers, Frederick and Alexander Prantken. Both Prantken brothers have studied management at Harvard University. They have been developing software for contracts for several years, beginning with the Skilled Trade Workers platform in 2013. Pop Repair is a natural extension of this earlier project, which offers even greater flexibility and efficiency by embracing blockchain technology. The Prantken brothers are supported by a small but highly experienced team of software developers and marketing analytics, and they consult with a team of advisors that includes John McAfee, who has a big followers on the world of crypto.
The team includes three essential problems on the market. 1. Review fraud. It's well known that companies regularly purchase fake reviews to inflate their reputation on platform. Just do a simple Google search and you can verify that's true. This had made it impossible to select good contractors online by using services such as Google Reviews. 2. Advertising fees. Contractors have to spend a significant chunk of their revenue on advertising. This in turn then means that they have to charge consumers more. Using services such as Google AdWords is often cost upwards of $5 for them to receive just one click, and that's after they have already spent a lot of cash on making the website in the first place. 3. Pricing. Consumers generally have no idea how much certain work should cost. Me myself would have no idea it should cost to build a small wall or have a window replaced.
What does this project offer? First, transparent pricing. A lack of transparency in pricing results in higher prices for consumers. Pop Repair will allow customers to see how much contracts have recently been charging for similar jobs, making pricing transparent. So to solve the fraud reviews, hiding costs due to advertising fees, and inflated cost of lack of pricing transparency. Pop Repair will build the Pop application on the Steam blockchain. The Pop application leverages blockchain technology to fight fraud review. The Pop application will be built on the Steam blockchain due to its 3-second transaction time and no transaction costs. The Pop application will store all financial transactions that take place on Pop's Repair on the blockchain. Then when both sides of transaction, consumer and contractor, leave a review, Pop's Repair will link that review to the actual financial transaction. By linking reviews with actual financial transactions, consumers can trust that the review is real and unaltered. Real reviews from real consumers provides better information so consumers can make better decisions. Finally, I would like to inform any trader that the idea behind the project seems good. However, it seems like certain problems like fake reviews could still be got around by just using two accounts and make a fake transaction. Having successful setup and platform in the past with 50,000 service providers, it should be easy enough for them to improve on. Now they are going to have a large marketing budget